Hello everybody, welcome back to another AI video. This one, we're back in ChatLLM and I got something awesome to show you. I am going to show you how you can create 3 different styles of AI image and AI video generations. ChatLLM can do it all. Let me show you what I'm talking about. First off here, I'm going to show you how you can create an image just like this one here. We're going to create this with just the built-in AI image generator, and note here that it is created with Flux One Pro. This is some top-notch stuff here, and it's literally one click, one prompt piece of cake. After we've done that, we're going to switch over here. I'm going to show you how you can take that exact image and literally that image that we just created, and we're going to animate it, and we don't have to go to any external software, nothing. We're going to do it all inside ChatLLM. Then after that, I'm going to show you how you can take any text prompt you want. Here's one example: French Bulldog reading a book, cartoon style, and create a video just like this. And this is top-notch stuff. Let's hit play and check this one out here. Look at this little fella here with the glasses on and the book, reading his book. We're going to do all of this using ChatLLM and only ChatLLM, and it's going to take a few minutes. Let me show you how. All right, so once you're logged in, you should see a screen like this. Do note that in the description, I have put a link in there for you to click on if you want to log in and sign up and get going. It's just one click, links in the description. Once you're in, basically the first thing you want to do is you want to go up here to the top, click on that little arrow, and then you're going to see a whole bunch of options here. I've created my own bots and they've got tons of things in here, but I'm just going to go ahead and leave it on Route LLM or Root LLM. And this is basically their new smart router. So depending on the type of prompt you type in, it's going to send it to the correct tool or large language model. So in this one, we're going to go create a dystopian landscape with a large robot. Pardon me. And it is going to know once I hit enter that I am asking it to generate an image. So here we go. It's generating the image. It's going to take just a few seconds. I'm going to come back when it's done. I'm going to show it to you, and then I'm going to show you how we can animate that next. All right, so that took about 15 or so seconds. And then here we go. We've got our image. And if I click on it, take a look here. We wanted a robot, dystopian, burn down type setting. This looks exactly like what I asked for. Good stuff. So there we go. Looking good so far. However, if you zoom in here and take a look here, you're going to say it says image generated by Flux One Pro. This is the new AI image generator that some people are saying is as good, maybe even better than Midjourney. Well, they've integrated in the Pro version into ChatLLM, and not just like the developer and the Schnell version. I know it's not a big deal, but for some of you hardcore types, it's good to know that they're using the top shelf stuff. So there we go. We've got our image. I'm going to click on the little download button here. And then presto, we're done there. We've got the image. I can open it here. The next step is I'm going to click on new chat because I always like to create from fresh here. So I've clicked on new chat here. Again, I'm going to keep it at Route LLM or Root LLM. I'm just going to let the smart router system determine where the prompt's going to go. And then down here at the bottom, you'll see more. And then when you click on more, you'll see video gen. Now we're going to animate that image that we just created. So in this case, I'm just going to say animate the robot. So I want the robot to move in this image. Now, this is really, really good for animating memes, by the way. If you want like that flames memes where the flames start on fire, but the dog just sort of looks straight ahead. Really, really good for that. So I'm just going to go ahead and type in animate robot. I'm not going to touch any of these buttons here, aspect ratio, looping, etc. But what I do want to do is I want to adjust the start frame. So watch this. I'm going to go ahead and grab that image that I just downloaded. Let's go into my downloads button here. Where do you be? Right here. There it is. There's the image. And I am just going to drop it right there, right on top. And there we go. It says upload, drag, and drop files. So what we've done is we've selected the starting frame for the animation. We've asked it to animate the robot. So we're going to animate that image. And then literally, I'm just going to go ahead and click on generate. Now, this should take a few minutes here. Yeah, it takes up to 2 minutes, but it's usually about 30 to 60 seconds. I'll come back when this is done, show you what we got, and then we're going to look at the text to video functionality as well. All right, so it's gone ahead and done the video, the animation for us. Let's hit play and see what we got. Holy smokes, look at this, guys. It animated the robot. It didn't animate the background buildings. It animated the robot just like I asked it to. This is fantastic, and this is all being done in ChatLLM, but we're not done yet. Now I'm going to show you how you can type in any text prompt and turn that into a video in just one click. It's awesome. Let's go. All right, so to do that, let's click on new chat like I like to do here. We're going to leave it set on Root LLM. We're going to go back down to the bottom click on more, click on Video Gen, and now we're just going to type in a prompt. So we want a French Bulldog reading a book. So there it is, a nice simple one, French Bulldog reading a book. Now we can take a look at some of the other things. We're going to change the aspect ratio. Right now it's set to 1:1. That's not what we want. We want to create it for YouTube. So in this case, we want 16:9. If you do TikTok shorts or YouTube shorts and that type of thing, you'll probably want to go with 9:16. But for this one, let's stick to 16:9. Also, if you want to enable to repeat the video seamlessly from start to end, go ahead and turn this on. This is great if you're doing animations that, sort of looping animations. In most cases, you don't need to do that, but there are some use cases. And yeah, modify the input prompt for improved video generation results. I am going to turn this on because I deliberately put in a very simple, basic prompt. This kind of just says, hey, ChatLLM, add something cool to the prompt to make it sound like a, someone that knows what they're doing. Put a prompt in there. Prompt engineering, so to speak, if you want to go with that. Now, we can add in start or end frames, but in this case, I want it to come up with it from scratch. So we're literally just going to go ahead and click on generate. This, again, should take a few seconds. It says it takes up to 2 minutes, but generally it's about 30 seconds or so. I'm going to come back when this is done, show you what we got, and then we're going to wrap it up. All right, welcome back. So let's see what we got here. French Bulldog reading a book. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go ahead and make it bigger here, and then let's hit play and see what we got. All right. Oh, yeah, even the facial movements are good. Look at that. This is fantastic stuff. We created that in one prompt, literally French Bulldog reading a book, 5 words, and we can create video that good. Also, when I hover over the eye here, keep in mind that we asked it to add in a few, little bits and pieces to make the prompt a little bit better. And here we go. We got a bulldog sitting comfortably, flipping through pages of a book. Perfect. So there it is, everybody. We created images. We created AI images with text. We animated those images, and then we even typed in some text and created video just from that text. ChatLLM can do it all. It is a fantastic platform. Links in the description below. Give it a try. Thanks for watching.